that is daylight bribery of voters using stolen public funds. These are funds that were meant for education, free primary education and free secondary education. This money, William Ruto has diverted management for education through the National Intelligence Service, ostensibly to deal with regional security. This money is withdrawn in cash every Friday and given to Kindiki to go around the country bribing voters and cheating them. That is empowerment. William Ruto promised real empowerment when he became president. If he wants to do real empowerment, he needs to bring a bill in Parliament where these programs are well explained and included in the budget so that there is an organized way of doing empowerment. Today, how do you explain where is the deputy president getting this money from? His salary is known. He has been in office for 10 months. He has not earned more than 10 million shillings. In the last several months, he has spent over 300 million shillings. This money is not in the budget. Where is this money coming from? These are proceeds of corruption. And these are funds that are being used to corrupt the morals of our people and try to bribe voters ahead of the 2027 general election. So it's all deceit. It's all a conman game, and it has nothing to do with empowerment. It is simply bribery and a scheme to deceive the Kenyan voter, to try to persuade them to have William Ruto elected as president.
You are watching Pacific Waves Television, USA, a place of nourishment.